All right, today we are absolutely destroying a tree in Blender. No chainsaw, no axe, just pure physics and bad intentions. We're making a realistic tree destruction simulation using RBDLab, with chunks breaking, constraints snapping, and leaves flying everywhere like the tree just lost an argument. I'll explain everything step by step, so don't skip. And before we start, smash the like button so YouTube doesn't destroy my channel instead. All right, let's break some stuff. First of all, we need a free add-on called Sapling Tree Gen to create the tree. Press Shift+A, expand the Sapling Tree add-on, and change the preset to Japanese Maple. You can use any preset you want, this one just looks good, and today I'm trusting my artistic instincts. Now, because the tree is a curve, we need to convert it into a mesh so we can actually fracture it. Curves don't like destruction, meshes do. Go into edit mode, select all vertices, and fill the holes. Set the sides value to 0. We don't want extra geometry causing emotional damage later. Now again, select all vertices and merge by distance. Also, delete loose vertices. This step is boring, but skipping it will absolutely ruin your day. Now our mesh is clean and ready for destruction. We'll use the RBDLab add-on. Yes, it's paid, but it's also powerful, fast, and clearly built by someone who loves breaking things. Scatter some points on the tree and set the maximum chunks to 100. That's more than enough pieces to make this tree regret its life choices. It looks a bit messy, so let's manually fix some bad chunks. Once that's done, apply the fracture. Now select all the chunks, go into edit mode, and clean up the mesh one more time. Set the origin to geometry, because physics hates bad origins. Now, head over to the Physics tab and add a ground plane. The simulation is working. Perfect. That's always a relief. Next, select the base parts of the tree and set them to passive, so they don't just fall over like a badly modeled skyscraper. Right now, the tree collapses like a building, which is very wrong. So let's add constraints to make some pieces stick together. Enable iterations for a more stable simulation. Now the chunks actually behave like a tree, and not like falling Lego bricks. We also don't want the tree collapsing by itself, so enable Start Deactivated. Now it will politely wait until something hits it. Add a sphere object and set location keyframes, just like I'm doing. change the interpolation to linear. No easing, no mercy. Add rigid body and enable animated. Up until frame 12, it follows the animation. After frame 12, physics takes over and things get violent. Right now, the sphere looks like a floating balloon. That's because the mass is way too low. Set the mass to something reasonable, like 1,000 kilograms, because subtlety is overrated. Adjust the constraint glue strength until you get the destruction you want. Then bake the rigid body simulation. And just like that, our tree destruction simulation is done. Now let's make it prettier with leaves. Add a plane, go into edit mode, and model a leaf by extruding a single vertex. Press F to fill the face. Congratulations, you've just created the most efficient leaf ever. Select one chunk and add a particle system for the leaves. Set it to hair, reduce the number of leaves, and set the source to emit from vertices. Set the render option to object and select the leaf object. Adjust the scale, randomize it, and enable hair dynamics so the leaves don't move like plastic. Add some rotation, rename the particle system, Then select the entire tree collection and deselect any objects that shouldn't have leaves. With the particle system object still active, click Copy Active to selected objects, because chunk has leaves, because consistency matters. Same process as before, but this time use the emitter option instead of hair. Choose the exact frame where you want the leaves to explode into the air and set both the frame start and frame end to that frame. And that's it. You now have a fully destructible tree with realistic breaking, constraints, and flying leaves. If you enjoyed this tutorial, destroy the like button, subscribe for more Blender destruction, and let me know in the comments what I should break next.